Four Wheels by G. Morrison. Feeling skonnerd, feeling doen, start up your bike and hear it soon. On your bike away you go, never fast and never slow. The fresh air blowing on your face, nipping on at a steady pace. Lean over, put out your leg, a fine sharp bane to scrape your peg. Feeling happy, feeling free, what's the joys of bikes you see. Clocking up 100 mile, maybe nae in comfort, but aye in style. Four-wheeled drivers hinna much luck, for in jump traffic they aye get stuck. The growl and glower as I glide past, never slow and never fast. So on the open road I glide, but danger lurks ahead and aside. A coffin and wheels waits to come out. I gie him a flash and gie him a toot, for out he came, his eye skid been, broadside and on the outside lane. I come to a stop at the side of the road, but the car keeps going the four-wheeled sod. As dangerous, deadly, unsolved crime will catch up with that car in a matter of time. But fit fears me, will it be or late, afore some peer lad meets envy's fate. So drivers and cars, please dinna forget, look eens, look back, afore it's oor late.